Welcome to a Digital Engagement Connection show brought to you by LivePerson. I'm the host, Patrick Spencer, Senior Director and Editor-in-Chief at LivePerson. Through its LiveEngage cloud-based platform, LivePerson creates meaningful, real-time customer connections that increase conversions and improve customer experience. For today's show, I have the opportunity to visit with Ido Hacohen, the Vice President of Ecosystem Partners at LivePerson. Ido, thanks for joining me today.
Absolutely, Patrick. Happy to join.
Great. This is going to be an interesting conversation. A good starting point might be to talk a little bit about the Apps Marketplace and what it's all about.
Absolutely. So the Apps Marketplace is our way to enable partners to extend the LivePerson offering. So anything that we do not provide or anything that is innovated that our partners can enhance our offering with is available on the Apps Marketplace.
And it's all done through open APIs and so forth. They build upon the platform itself.
Exactly. So we've built an open platform. So we've opened up our platform and we're enabling technology vendors to extend the functionality that we provide and then provide it to our customers through the Apps Marketplace, which is at apps.liveperson.com.
Great. Well, they know where to find it now.
They do, yes.
That's a great starting point. And a good segue for the next question I had for you. So say you're a partner out there in the marketplace or a potential partner in the marketplace. What steps would you go through in order to become an Apps Marketplace partner and provider?
So the first stage would be to understand how you can bring the two solutions together. What can you bring to our customers? What can you build on our platform? So that would be the first stage. Some of our partners engage with their customers and with our customers and find that through the
specific needs and so forth.
Yeah, exactly, through specific market needs. And some of them have a very interesting idea that they want to run through us. And we have a dedicated team that actually works with these kinds of technology vendors and helps them to understand what's the best solution for them to create.
And they can validate it as well as potentially identify a customer who would be open to being an early adopter of that solution in the marketplace.
Exactly. So in a lot of the cases, what we actually do is we look at what our customers are looking for, what are the customer needs, and then based on that, we basically tailor that joint offering.
So you have that joint offering and go-to-market strategy. When LivePerson and the Apps Marketplace provider work together, how does that scenario work?
Excellent. So you start by creating the joint offering. You create the integration, you build something on top of our platform, and then you go through the stages of making that available to our customer base. The first stage is actually to promote it and present it on the Apps Marketplace. And then after that, you start creating awareness. So we have a dedicated person who's in charge of our partner marketing, director of partner marketing, that works with the partners, helps
to bring
them
it to market, if you will.
Yes, to bring it to market, right? We create videos, podcasts, we create white papers, and I'll tell you one thing about that. The more the partners invest in creating that collateral, the better return on investment they'll see from the program.
It's a great point.
It's
a great point.
And
you
that's
get what you put into it.
Yeah, absolutely. So if you put a lot into it, if this is something strategic to you and you put a lot into it, you'll get a lot out of it.
That's great. Great advice. So if you move on and you look at the customer value proposition,
yes.
I think there's 5 basic categories that the different apps fall into. Let's walk through each of those. I think the first one is in terms of just the engagement model itself.
Exactly. So there's 5 main categories that we see a lot of need from our customer base. The first one is enhancing the types of engagement that we have, right? So that these applications are self-service applications like virtual agents and website walkthroughs and community sites. You then go to more enhanced types of engagements like video chat and co-browsing, and that's one category as we see it. The second category would be taking the text chat that we have and extending it so that it provides more functionality. Things like it could be financial calculators. So what we've done is we've taken our chat window and we've basically extended it so that it can actually present additional let's say, components and features.
So you're a financial institution and you're interacting with the customer via live chat. You can actually embed that calculator within the session and sell them on the solution.
Yes, you got it right. You can show them, if you're a retailer, you can show them
product categories.
You can present product recommendations, right? So, and all within that chat window. So that's the second category. The third category is everything that is related to our personalized offers and our content. Right, the whole idea is that we are able to present offers to the right person at the right time. So if you have a solution that you need,
that's where it really gets exciting as well.
It
the
does.
high value customer, targeting and identifying them.
Yeah, exactly. So if you have a solution that you think it would be best presented to a specific customer at a specific time, you can use our platform and that personalized offer to basically present it to the right people when they're in the right stage of their
so
buying
based
cycle.
on the keywords they clicked on, as well as their behavior, etc., you can actually offer them promotions like 20% off if you buy this product before the end of the day or within the hour.
Exactly. So if you're a coupon system, you can present a coupon. If you're a survey system, you can present a survey at the right time. And what we've seen is that companies that do that actually get a much better response to their offers.
That's great. That's great. Fourth category.
All
about data, I understand.
All about data, exactly. So we're all about proactive engagement. So we help our customers find the right customers to engage with. Right? How do we do that? We do that by using data that we have about where they came from, who they are, and so on.
And the last category is related to agent productivity, the actual agents that are doing the chat, how you enhance their productivity, incent them to be more productivity through even fun things like gamification.
Exactly. Yeah. So we look at things like gamification, product recommendation, the information. So companies in that space would create an add-on to our agent console that would enable the agent to do their job more efficiently. And to provide better customer service.
And have fun at doing so.
And have fun.
That's what's important.
That is what's important. Because they're doing it all day. So they need to have fun.
Exactly. Well, what's really interesting about the portfolio of solutions that you have in the Apps Marketplace is that it's no longer about just chat. Digital engagement is so much more encompassing than just chat itself. And the Apps Marketplace helps bring it just one level higher than where it's at today by enhancing the capabilities that already exist.
Exactly. So, if you look at what we provide today and what we're going to be providing tomorrow, what we've done is by opening up our platform, you're not only limited to what we're providing, but you can, if you have a solution that you're using on your website and you'd like to use it in conjunction to what we provide, you can just go through the process and connect the two together. Exactly. And that's, by the way, in a lot of the cases, a lot of our partners reach out to us because their customers have asked them to actually connect the two together and to productize it. Right? And it's always better when you have a customer around it.
The Apps Marketplace solutions of the future, if you may.
Absolutely.
Always customers think outside of the box, partners think outside of the box.
Yes.
2013 was a very busy year for you. You mentioned some of the initiatives that you worked on. 2014 is going to be even busier. What are a couple of the key initiatives that you're going to drive this year?
I think that we're at the verge of a changing industry, right? We all know that consumers buy online. We all know that there needs to be a connection between the online and the offline. There's a couple of things that are happening in the industry that are really driving it. Like the Amazon service button on the Kindle, the Mayday, which got a lot of publicity, and a lot of our customers are looking for things.
You can do that through the Apps Marketplace providers today.
Absolutely, you can do it today. You can make
at
any
a fraction of the cost of what Amazon did.
Exactly. Yep. So you can take our solution combined with partner solution and create even something that is even more compelling than Mayday.
Wow.
So that's one area. E-commerce is also very strong. So everything that is related to in-store experience, showrooming, how do you connect the online. So you're sitting at home, you're looking at a few products, but you then want to go to the actual brick and mortar store and look at those products and maybe ask a few questions. So how do you connect those two experiences together?
You can shop at 4 or 5 different locations simultaneously with the technologies that exist today.
Yeah, and you can go into a store and instead of looking at the product, you can actually search for the information online, and we connect everything together. So I think that 2014 is going to be very exciting. We're putting a lot of effort into continuing to opening our platform, providing more functionality, so our partners will be able to create even more compelling business offerings. And with everything that is happening in the industry, I think that this is the right time to join forces with us. Come on our apps marketplace, join our partner program, and really take some innovative and compelling solutions to the market.
It's a great time certainly to be involved with digital engagement. There's huge opportunities both for partners as well as customers out there. Well, Ido, thank you so much for your time today.
Thank you, Patrick. It was a
pleasure
pleasure
with you.
Appreciate
Enjoyed the conversation.
Me too.
Thank you for watching a Digital Engagement Connection show brought to you by LivePerson. Check out other shows at liveperson.com/connections-shows. And for more information on LivePerson, a leader in helping you to drive tangible business value from your digital engagements via chat, voice, and content, all delivered at the right time and through the right channel, visit liveperson.com. Thanks for watching a Digital Engagement Connection show.